Hello everyone, today I will show you how to edit or modify text on a comment box using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor. Now select comment option this menu bar and select your comment box or double click on this comment box and see the mouse cursor now showing on this comment box. And now I'll change this or edit this comment box text. First let's change this comment box text font color. I'll make it white color and see this, and also I'll make this text underline and text font size I'll increase 16 and see this. Also I'll type new text. Here you can say text, you can add strike through, you can say add bullet point and numbering, change, you can change font style and so on. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.